Hello, this is our project for Oracle ThinkQuest Application Development 2012. Our project is called Story. The textbooks for colleges and universities are expensive and are used only for the duration of that semester, at the end of which the books are returned at 50 to 70% of the cost. Now the bookseller again adds his profit and sells the book to juniors. As a result, juniors pay more for the same book. Hence, we came up with the idea of providing a platform for students and other individuals where they will be able to list their books and choose among the interested users to sell it without compromising the return value of the books. Now, the main challenge that we faced was the technology and the environment to develop the application into. Since mobile and tablets are gaining popularity, we couldn't ignore these devices. At the same time, developing separate applications for them would be time consuming. Hence, we decided to exploit the power of the web and the new technologies to design and develop an application that works on all devices. Let's see how it works.
Story uses what is known as responsive design. This means that the layout of the application adapts itself to the user's device. So no matter which device you use to access Story, your experience is tailor-made to suit the device and be as user-friendly as possible. Let me show you. You're currently looking at Story on a full HD 1920 by 1080p monitor. I'm going to resize the browser so you get a feel of how the layout adapts itself, taking advantage of the available screen space. This is what Story would look like on a mobile device. As you can see, Story is a pleasure to browse on desktops, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and indeed any device in between. But how does Story actually work?
After logging in, the user gets an option to list a book. To get the information of the book, the user has to enter the ISBN number. As you see, the information of the book is automatically loaded. Now the user only has to select the area where the book is located. Currently we are offering only the Mumbai city. The user is allowed to enter a personal description on the condition of the book. The user can enter the price at which he wants to sell. Now the listing has been created. Let's go to the home page to see our listing. As you see, the recently added listing is already come up in the grid. This page shows all the basic info of the listing. The user has the option to remove the listing at any point of time. Now let's see all the listings. The user profile page lists all the books that the user is interested in and also all the books that the user himself has listed. He gets a panel to remove the book from the listing, to remove his interest from a book. Oh, somebody is already interested in my book. Let's check it. Here, the interested user's details come. The user can add a personal message to the book he's interested in. Let's see this functionality. This is a listing by some other user. The user gets an option to attach a personal message. The user has the option to share his phone number with the buyer. This allows the user to connect with the buyer. If the user has his email notification switched on, the user will get an email to the email address specified in his profile. Also, the user will get a notification on the right sidebar of the page. The user has the option to clear all notifications. User can set if he wants to receive an email if somebody is interested in his book, or if he wants to be notified if the interest has been confirmed by the seller. As you see, my current interest has been recorded and displayed here. The user also has the option to remove his interest from a book. Now let's take a closer look at the home page. At the home page, the user has the option to search for a book based on the book name, author, or publication. All the categories are also available for the user to search. As you see, the books are currently listed based on the category. The user also has the option to filter by the area from which he or she belongs to. I think that's it. Thank you for watching the demonstration for Story.in for Oracle ThinkQuest Application Development Competition 2012. Thank you.